Hello, how are you? Today I am delving into my Miller Harris Discovery set and I thought I'd do a little perfume review of the fragrance Oud Éclat. This is the Discovery kit, which I absolutely love. It's incredible. Basically, you can buy this for £30 and it has 8 perfumes in, so you can try the whole collection, see what you like, and when you buy it, it's £30, but you get a £30 gift voucher to spend against your next Miller Harris perfume. So it basically ends up this whole thing is free. And that's pretty good value because you get like 16 mil of perfume in here. And that's actually quite a lot. And they're really cute for just like trying out the collection or when you travel or just, I don't know, when you just feel like you need a new perfume, you can just reach for this little box and essentially it's free, which is so good. Also, if I haven't told you before, I do have a 20% off Miller Harris discount code, which I can share with you here. So if you are buying anything from Miller Harris, make sure you consider this box and make sure you use my discount code. But anyway, that's not what I'm here about. Today I'm talking about Oud Éclat. So let's have a look through the box and find the perfume. Here it is. This is a 2 ml vial of perfume. It's not a huge bottle, but it's enough to give it a good little go. So let's spray and see how we get on. Oh my God, that's so good. Oh my God, I love it. Oh my God, why do I not own this already? It's so good. Oh, I love Oud. I love Miller Harris. Why have I not bought this yet? I'm not even kidding. This perfume is absolutely phenomenal. It's a showstopper. It's so good. Why do I not own this already? It's incredible. I need to order myself a bottle. It's so good. Anyway, let's talk about the details. So the star notes of this perfume are oud, tajit, I don't know, and cashmere wood. And it contains other notes of amber, floral accord, fir, nutmeg, moss, musk, leather, and sugar. And it is honestly incredible. It is very oudy, like it's definitely an oud-based fragrance. I would say it is unisex. I wouldn't necessarily say it's more feminine or masculine. I would definitely call it a unisex fragrance. The projection is beautiful. It definitely packs a punch, but it's not too much. Like if you love Tom Ford, but you sometimes find that Tom Ford is like too much, like too intense for the senses, this is like an oud you could wear every day, but still be like very fancy in this oud. Oh, it's so good. Incredibly high quality. You can like smell the quality of it. It smells very like rich and wealthy, which is what we all want. And actually, I have to say, £190 with 20% off. That's actually a really fair price for an oud-based perfume of this quality. So I definitely get the oud notes, absolutely stunning. I love, love, love the kind of the sweet resinous ambery notes. There is definitely a fir kind of balsamy note in there, which is really lovely, very piney. Lovely for this time of year and smells just really like crisp and green. There is definitely a kind of a mossy note. Definitely get a sweet accord. I wouldn't necessarily think of it as sugar, but there is something very sweet in there, which just kind of like contrasts really nicely with the oud, because sometimes if oud isn't balanced with a sweet note, it can be a bit too much. And this balances the sweetness with the oud perfectly. I can't decide what the sweetness reminds me of. Almost a candy sweetness, but it smells really elegant. Yeah, the sweetness makes it more Moorish. It's delicious. It's also got, and it's not mentioned, but it's also got a bit of a rummy note. And that's kind of like where the sugariness comes in, I think. It's kind of like a rumminess, which, I don't know, kind of makes it really quite delicious. Almost like oud and woods and oak moss and fir trees, but then with like a rum cocktail and maybe like a side of like a sticky toffee pudding. Yeah, that's what it's giving me. It's giving me winter joy. It's giving me winter joy. All my favorite things in winter: log fires, oud, sticky toffee pudding, rum cocktails, just like winter magic. If you love oud perfumes, you need to try this. It's beautiful. You'll be able to test it out in store, or you could buy the Discovery box, which I will try to remember to link below. Or if you just want to blind buy it and you love an oud, I would actually say this is something that you could blind buy and probably love it. Yeah, I think they've got their Black Friday sale on at the moment as well. So if you want it, now is a good time to buy it. Anyway, I love this. I think I might have to go order myself a bottle because it's really beautiful. It is one of the nicest ouds I've tried in a while. And I have a lot of ouds in my collection, but I love this. Not many people do ouds well. And this is a beautiful, beautiful oud. So yeah, Miller Harris Oud Éclat. I may need to buy myself a bottle now. It's incredible. Yeah, if you want it, use my discount code or the Black Friday deal, whichever you want. And yeah, I love this. How have I not got this perfume already? It's so good. Anyway, that's my review. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you've tried it, and I will see you very soon. Bye.